Yeah, I would like to welcome Maruti to this podcast. I would like to welcome Sushma. I would like to welcome Manjit Sharma. So, would like to welcome three of you to this beautiful podcast today. I would like to listen. I would like to understand what is the inner sound within you shouting out to achieve your goals. So, I would like to start asking questions with Manjit Sharma. Yeah, Manjit, yes, you are the student of Skill Motive Institute as you decided to learn spoken English along with some soft skills like personality development, presentation skills, communication skills. I just want to know what is your name so that everybody could get to know. Tell me something about your name and what is your goal in life and how English will impact on your goal to achieve. So we'll be starting with everything. So first I would like to know what's your name and your self introduction.
So, thank you, sir, to give me the opportunity to sit here. And good afternoon, everyone sitting beside me. So, first of all, I introduce myself. So, my name is Manjit Kumar Sharma, and I presently live in Halyal. I talking about my qualification. I completed my second PUC from KLSPU College Halyal, and now I preparing for Merchant Navy, and I joined this institution to uh, my improve my spoken English and personality development. Thank you, sir.
Yes, you are preparing for Merchant Navy, you said.
Yes, sir.
Right. So tell us why your interest when to prepare yourself for Merchant Navy.
So when I was in class 12, my one friend told me about Merchant Navy, and I searched about this passion. So I have more interest in Merchant Navy. So I decided to join Merchant Navy, and as compared to JE or NDA, in this field, their competition is compared to JE and NDA competition is less in Merchant Navy, and very
Mhm.
nice opportunity in Merchant Navy is there. So
Mhm.
I want to join Merchant Navy, sir.
Okay, you decided it in class 12th.
Yes.
Now you are studying in.
And now I prepare. Now I completed my class 12th and prepare. Take a 1 year drop to prepare for Merchant Navy.
Okay, fine. So how this English language will help you achieve your goal to become merchant navy. So is
So
there importance to speak in English or just to know grammar for cracking the exam of merchant navy, or after joining is it mandatory to speak as well in English?
yeah, sir. As you told, I want to answer the question. The merchant navy is a profession where we, where this profession without English we can't uh, uh, join this profession, because we travel from one country to another country, and as we know, the English is in the world. English is mostly used. So English is for communication purpose, as well as my interview purpose. I want to learn English, and in my future, when I go outside my country, it also help me to it will also help me to communicate with other person who don't know Hindi, but they know English, so I want to learn English.
And you have already planned that you will also go to some other countries.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Very nice. So you got to know that just knowing Hindi will not support us to survive in the world.
Yeah, sir.
So English has become the integral part of medium of communication. So one should always know English to make it one medium of communication to interact with the world. That you have understood.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sure. If you have decided, that means you definitely become the merchant navy officer that you are desiring to become. And also, if you have passion about speaking good in English, that will also be possible by your struggle and by your best attempts. So now here's my last question to you: how quickly you are going to learn this English language, do you feel that you are going to learn it in the fastest way, or what strategies that you are planning to follow to learn it?
Yes, I definitely tell you that I believe in myself to learn English. I in few 3 months I learn English, and I have plan for that. I
Hmm.
read the uh, read new things, new read the books. Uh, 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 I take class from Skill Motive, and I used to watch the interviews and
Hmm.
how they talk. I see also. I see the how they how what is the uh, what is the importance of English grammar in spoken English. And also I from interviews we learn more vocabularies, as well as the
Hmm.
body language, which help me to uh, which help me in my future interview preparation. Thank
Okay,
you.
fine. So you have set the plan to learn it in 3 months, building your vocabularies. And I just want to end up my question with you, saying you already speak very good in English.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I observed that you already speak good in English. At least you have crossed the 50% already. So thank you so much, Manjit. I
Thank
am very glad to be part of your discussion. Thank you. So,
thank you, sir.
hi Sushma, how are you?
Sir, I'm good, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Yeah, you are the shining, not star. You are the shining student of this institute at the moment in my eyes.
From your blessings.
Not from my blessings, from your presence and from your personality, you are shining like a star. And I'm very glad to have you here on my platform,
Thank you, sir.
because you are very enthusiastic to present yourself in all the programs even that we conduct. So nice talking to you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Sushma, I just want to know more about yourself.
My name is Sushma Shiro, and I'm studying in KSLU Law College. And my father is a farmer, and my mother is a. Mm, uh, she's also basically farmer, and I'm from Hubli. I
Hmm.
I'm from Hubli, sir. I'm staying in hostel.
Hmm. Your education,
LLB, sir. I choose LLB.
you have completed your
No,
LLB
sir.
or pursuing it?
Pursuing
In which semester?
in fourth semester, second year.
Second year, fourth semester,
Yes,
LLB. LLB, that means your goal is to become an advocate
yes, sir.
or judge.
When I'm not interested in judge, sir, because judge can never talk with the clients, or he can't feel whenever he go enter into society. He never feel what actually peoples are faced
Suffering from.
some problems. He can't never feel that. So I want to become a good advocate, sir.
You want to become an advocate just because you want to understand the pain of people.
Both, sir. Yeah, everyone can understand everybody's problems, sir, but only advocate can
Solid.
start to
Solid.
solve
Only
it.
advocates
Yes, sir.
can solve it.
Yes, sir.
Advocates can put the full stop
Yes, sir. For all
to the
problems.
file,
Yes, sir.
right? You want to become an advocate.
Only he have a power.
He
Only
has.
he has a power. From only one pen and a paper, he can solve the all the problems of our society. In that statement, I believing. So I choose this field.
Okay, fine. So, where would you like to work or practice in? Like, would you like to practice in High Court or Supreme Court? Do you have any of these desires?
Yes, sir. But actually, I want to practice in a High Court or a Supreme Court. But if I want to know what are the problems are there in our society, there should be I practice in a district court. In district court only we can see what are the problems are actually
At the
faced by.
ground level.
Yes, sir.
At the ground level, we can justify the problems.
Yes, sir.
If we practice in specifically district court.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because when we go to high court, there is almost all cases are appeal cases are there, sir. So
Correct.
we can't understand.
The ground level problem we can't understand. If
Yes,
we
sir.
directly jump to Supreme
High
Court
court.
or High Court.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice theme that you have. Okay, so how about English? This English is going to support you for that destination?
English is more useful in our field, sir. It is actually basic element to our field because okay, in magistrate court or in district courts, local languages are also allowed to advocate and judge. But when we come to the high court or a supreme court, we can't speak our local language because they can't understand. They also can't understand our local language. If he has or she has to speak his local language or speaks, we also can't understand. In that time, we want a common language.
Yeah.
So this this English in that field too much uses.
As you said that, understood the importance of it in that field. But as you said that you don't want to practice in Supreme or High Court, so at ground level, people usually don't speak in English language. Then why are you learning it?
Not like that, sir. Actually, my dream is practice in Supreme Court and High Court. But whenever I came to when I listen my heart thought that tells me you want to practice in district court or a magistrate court only.
Okay.
Because in that ground you can you understand what actually faced problems our society.
You would listen to your heart that is beating aloud to practice in district court, or you would listen to the destination that you are planning to shift yourself to the Supreme Court?
Actually, sir, basically in our family, I am the first LLB student. So it is my what actually I struggle. This is all new to me because no one can helps to me. So I am must should practice in a district court only because no one helps to me to practice in high court or a supreme court. When I get that title, you are a good advocate. In that time also, I can maybe go in a supreme court or a high court. So it is actually my heart is told to me to practice in magistrate court, magistrate or a district court, but my mind is about high court and supreme court, sir.
Yes, absolutely. This is true actually. When you practice in district level court, you will come to know the ground level reality and the basic problem that is happening in the society. You will come to know. Yeah, that's the great decision. And thank to your heart because yes, thank you so much, Sushma. Yes, Maruti.
Yes.
I would like to welcome you to this today's session. I would like to also welcome you to Skill Motives podcast. Along with our audience, all the students would like to know about you, who you are.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Maruti. I am come from Koppal district and I completed my PUC in Kottur